Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how you can style and mold your short black hair. So in this tutorial I'm gonna guide you guys through how you can do that. My hair is already wet, and yeah, so I'm just like having fun. You can really say that again. So now I'm gonna go in with my short comb and start parting my hair. Then I go in with my big brush, then I brush it and make sure that it flattens to the style that I really want. Then here I'm gonna go again and do the same style in the other side and also pattern that side, brush it and all of that. Okay, so as soon as I'm done, then I go in with my patterning 24 hours mouse. This is also a volumizing, it volumizes your hair. Then I shake it and pour it on my hand first. I always like to take the quantity or maximum the amount that I need. Then I go in and start the application and start applying it to the areas where I really want to, to get my hair flattened, because this right here is amazing when it comes to styling your hair. Then after that I go in with my brush and start brushing it down, slipping it down and all of that. I brush the front as well and the back as well. Then once I'm done doing that, I go in with my hair tie and style it so that it won't scatter, because I'm going to do the front one. So by doing this process, it will help the front not to scatter the ones that I have already done. Then I go in and start applying that on my hair. Then once I'm done, then I like to like massage it, make sure that the hair is in the way I really want it. Then after that I go in with this my Splendor lacquer. Is for all hair types. So this is kind of gel. It helps to it helps the hair to really stay quiet, like really stay in one place to firmer. So you just need to apply this when you finish applying the rest of the things. I use this one because this one right here is more stronger than the gel. I like to use it and I apply it there. Is very strong enough. As you guys can see, it's written down there, hairspray fine hold. It holds the hair. Then I'm waiting for the time to reach, then I will just appear. Oh my god, is this me? No. Is my sister? No, it's me. Oh my goodness. Like now I'm gonna lose the hair tie and apply the hair hold, the spray, so to hold the rest of the hair, because the other one right there is already dried and is holding. Okay, so I spray that again and tie it down, because I think if I tie it after the spray, it's gonna make it to dry quickly, and when it dries it becomes strong like stone. So now I'm waiting for the final time to arrive, so that we'll just lose it. And yeah, here we are guys. So I'm just losing the hair. Yes, oh my god, everything is so firm. Like if you are touching it right there, it's very strong. It's like stone. It's like stone. So because it's even no matter, there is no amount of breeze that can blow it now and it will scatter, because it's already firm. Okay, it's not shake, it's not scattering, it's just like this until I use water to wash it away. And as you can see, the closer you see that it's firm and it's not scattering. It's like that. Okay, even the up one, they're like biscuit, they are very strong. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.